Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was in McPherson, Kansas. What are you doing in McPherson, Kansas, you may ask? Well, let me get the camera turned around and I'll tell you. Nice little entrance going on. They do it up right for this car show. It's been going on for 20 years. Will Posey with Big Oak graduated from there. And the year that his class started the car show, but he went home, so he'd never even been to the car show. And they asked him to come out there and talk to the students. That's a nice car. And all the documentation. Y'all can read that. Because I just want to show you, just give you a walk around, because it is a big mixture of cars. You know, it was all kinds of stuff. Not even just cars, motorcycles too. A really nice show. And they take it serious. The students put it on. That's the students' hot rod. I thought y'all want to see that. Station wagon. How cool is that with the dog dish hubcaps on it? Shot under the hood, so you know what they're working with. And so yeah, he went out there and talked to the students. We took the 32 out there. Look at the variety. Late model Mercedes and then Chevy sitting behind it. Classic. Nomad. Followed by another Mercedes. A couple more. Well, it is a college, guys, you know. But they had everything, and like I said, the students run it. They do a really good job. I was impressed. I had a good time. And look at the variety of cars. There you got something that looks like it may be homemade. Open wheel. And speaking of open wheel, I had the Indy car there. Made me miss Indy. I used to go to Indy all the time. And obviously I never went and saw these run, but I don't know, I got a little nostalgic when I saw this. It was so clean and the white looked so good, and you could just imagine what that May day must have been like when it was running. And that looks like a race car, but then you look in the cockpit and you think, oh my goodness, I hope that doesn't go too fast. And when we got there, some of the students were working like madmen on this thing. And then I figured out why, because they wanted to display it. And I don't know I mean, it's metal work for sure, but if it's going to turn into a rolling driving car, if so, man, I'd love to do a feature on that. That's going to be cool, don't you think? And it like everything, right? That was one of their feature cars, one of the McPherson College feature cars. And then they had a cool way of like dividing everything up, so you know where the hot rods were, where the modifieds were, where the classics were, where this Ferrari is. Not my thing, but cool is cool. And I don't know what it's worth, but I bet you it's worth a bunch of money. And it looked proper sitting there on a college campus. And then one of the things I'm just bonkers about was the trophies. Again, the students make the trophies, and I don't know what I got to do to win a trophy from this show, but I want to win one just so I can have one of their trophies. I think that is just ingenious. Cool. I love it. And I love it so much that I'm going to make you sit through walking down the other side of the table too, because, you know, I just want y'all to see what these kids are doing. Putting it together, making it happen. I mean, it's just, that's art. That is. And those are the trophies they gave away. So, I'm down with that. No, it was a cool show. It was a lot of fun. And, you know, here at the end, what I'm going to do is just have Will take us out in Gold Rush, the 32. So, anyways, hope you've enjoyed a little walk around from the McPherson College Car Show 20th anniversary. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.